What's the name of your business?
Modern Ritual Health.
What problem does Modern Ritual solve?
There are over 5 million new cases of skin cancer annually, but it can take months to get into a dermatologist.
How does Modern Ritual solve this problem?
We have a hardware solution alongside a simple-to-use software platform that more readily available care practitioners, like pharmacists, can use to triage their patients for skin cancer.
Inspired you to start this business?
Both of my parents are clinicians. I was the classic person who got a text message saying, "What is that spot?" growing up, and I want to make sure everyone has the same access to care that I had.
What's the savviest thing you've done as a founder?
We transformed an entire hotel room for a day to film our first TikToks together with my mother, my co-founder, and we had over 1 million views.
Let's give the coffee a taste.
I got a dirty oat chai latte, and I'm normally a 1 coffee a day person, but this would make me break my rule. This is a 10 out of 10.
A little bit about this coffee. It's called Third Wave Coffee. It's light roast, single source. This is delicious. Really, really smooth, really nice aftertaste. Very strong coffee as well. I'm going to give this an 8.5.